From making Modcall legal in the state, now the Ports Minister Michael Lobo has come out with a new suggestion of making Mudcard digital. Michael said that Mudcard should be made available online and one can even play by paying through their cards. He also said that GST of 12% should be made applicable on every transaction. Michael also spoke on the casinos. Watch.
मडकाक के गोंयान चलता तो लिगल करीत जाल्यार कोणाक ऑनलायन खेळोंक जाय तेणें ऑनलायन खेळपाचें डायरेक्ट घरा बसून आपल्या कार्डावर स्वायप करून खेळप आनी तितून 12% GST घालप 12.5% कितें थारायता पळय तो स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट इट इज व्हेरी गुड न्हू वाय इट शूड बी इलिगल लेट इट बिकम लीगल देर should not be any gambling which is illegal. No Goan can be stopped from entering inside. But playing should be banned is my stand from beginning, not now. 2012 onwards I am speaking in the this August House, our legislative assembly, that Goans can enter inside anywhere because we have given legal license for it. But playing in the casino should be banned. But technically, how good it is in eyes of law, we will have to check that.
So basically, you are in support of entertainment and not of gambling.
Not of gambling.
But what why only
for Goans?
Why only floating casino? What about land casino?
All.
So basically, you don't want
anybody. See, in a 5-star hotel, a casino is there. Goan can enter inside, but Goan should not be allowed to play.